Sometimes how your day plays out is determined by how your day got started. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the importance of a morning routine. Let's jump into it. One important aspect to practical homemaking, and which improves the odds for success of your day, is to prepare the night before. Lay out your clothing before you go to bed. Those few minutes can prove to be invaluable, particularly when it comes to getting the children and you out the door in a timely fashion. If you're working outside the home and you exercise in the morning, you'll need to lay out your workout clothes as well as your work clothes. If you don't have to leave the home, I still encourage you to do the same thing. Lay out your clothes for the day as well as any workout gear that you're going to need. Prepare lunches the night before. Have them labeled and in the fridge so all you have to do is grab them when it's time to go. Prepare the kids' book bags, diaper bags, and your work bag, and place them by the door so all you have to do is just grab them and put them in the car. Check your calendar for any appointments or phone calls that you need to make the next day. Make your to-do list, and it should be short. If you don't have to leave the house, you can make your to-do list in the morning. Tip number 2 is to get up early. Get up at least 45 minutes to an hour before your family gets up. It just depends upon how much time you need in the morning. Hit the bathroom and get your day started. Spend some time with yourself, be it exercise, yoga, meditation, reading, or devotions, whatever works for you. But science has shown that having a little me time improves your mood and can improve the flow of your day. If you exercise, that might mean showering once you've completed your exercise routine. Then get yourself dressed for the day and make your bed. Making your bed is a small thing, but it's been proven to show that that one daily habit, that daily routine, just helps improve the flow of your day. Once the bed is made, then you can move on to making up yourself. So if you wear makeup, now's the time to get that on. If not, just put on a little moisturizer and keep it moving. And tip number 3 is to start the laundry. And yes, even for you homemakers that work outside the home, I really encourage you to do a load of laundry every day. Throw a load in before you go to work. When you come home, throw it in the dryer, and before you go to bed, fold it and get it put away. Just a small load. So I really encourage you to do one small load of laundry a day, regardless of whether you're home all day or you head out the door for a 9 to 5. Doing a load a day keeps Mount Washmore away. And really, you don't want to spend your entire Saturday doing laundry. So a small load a day is the best way to go. Tip number 4 is to unload the dishwasher. That way, the dishwasher is ready to receive dirty dishes throughout the morning and the rest of the day. If you washed your dishes and left them in a drying rack, then go ahead, get those put away, and so now your counter is clean and you can have your dish pan in the sink and it can be ready to receive dirty dishes until you're ready to get them washed. Tip number 5, and this is an important one, is to make yourself some breakfast. You don't want to just start the day with coffee or tea, but you do want to have something with a little protein that can help carry you through lunch. Rinse whatever dishes you've used and put them in the dishwasher, or wash them out quickly and set them in the dish rack. Tip number 6 is to review your planner. And I know you might have reviewed it the night before, but something could have come up. You might have missed something. So review your planner again that morning and make your to-do list. And as I said earlier, you want that to-do list to be short. Don't try to plan so many things that you can't possibly get them accomplished. The other thing you want to be sure to do is to take meat out of the freezer. When you're ready to cook dinner, you don't want to have to be rushing around at the last minute trying to figure it out. So take whatever you're going to make for dinner out of the freezer, set it in the sink so that it can thaw out. So when you're ready to make dinner, the meat is thawed. Now that you're ready for the day, you're going to get your children up and put them through their morning routines. Bathroom, dressing, whatever is particular for your family. Keep the routine as simple as possible, but do include what is needed. Tip number 8 is to follow the same routine every day. The more you follow that routine, it becomes effortless. You begin to just do it automatically and you don't have to think about it. And that increases your time in the morning and also increases your productivity. So follow the same routine every morning and follow the same routine with your children every morning. So there won't be quite as much hassle trying to get yourselves and your children ready for the day. So the more you follow the routines, the quicker you can get things done. Tip number 9 is a biggie, and that is to avoid scrolling through your cell phone or looking at social media until you're sitting down with your coffee. And then limit the time that you do that. You can end up down a rabbit hole and then end up having to rush to get yourself out of the house for the day. So if you need to check email to see if something came up with family or work related that you need to address before you head out the door, or that you're going to need to address the first thing in the morning, then check that. Each minute of your morning routine is precious and you really want to make them count. And you can lose so much time going down that rabbit hole of social media. And let me not forget to say that this video is actually part of a collaboration hosted by Dawn of the Minimal Mom, and she wanted us to share with you tips for a morning routine. If you are not familiar with Dawn's channel, you have got to check her out. She is absolutely amazing. She's really into minimalism, and she can share with you how to work that system if that's what you want in your home. But she also has a lot of great information on how to declutter and how to just get by with less. So you will definitely want to visit her channel. So I will link it in the description box, and I will also link the playlist for this Mega Motivation Morning Routine Challenge, because so many other creators will be sharing with you tips and tricks for morning routines from their perspective. To see more practical homemaking stories, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out another episode of my practical homemaking, and I will see you next time.